Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in day 27 already we have discussed lecture first. Now in like the lecture second, here we'll show you about the mapping texture, means how to apply images to 3D object. So let's start. Okay, so in this display what I am doing, first of all come here in home tab. Here you can create anything like any 3D object which you want to create. Suppose here custom model view I have selected southeast isometric like this. Okay, and now you want to see the realistic view, so always select as a realistic view for applying images in 3D object. Now see, just I am drawing any box like here I have drawn any box, specify first corner, then specify the other corner, and then give the height as per your requirement. Suppose we have given up to here. Okay, now I want to apply any images, like I want to apply the cartoon image in this box. So what we have to do for that, come here in visualize tab and see the material panel. Here you will get one option, material browser. Hit on that material browser. Then here you can see the global option is given. Select it, right click, duplicate first of all, and what image you want to apply, just rename it. Suppose I want to apply the cartoon, so I have given cartoon. Okay, just right click, rename, give as a cartoon. Okay, the material cartoon already exists in the, okay, just already we have given I think name, so just write down cartoon image. Okay, now select that, double hit on that cartoon image. Now which image you want to select, so hit on this image and you have to download first of all that image which you want to place in this 3D object. So already I have downloaded this cartoon image, so select that from your location, open it. Now see, this type of image it is. Okay, if you want to apply, just select it, just close it from here. Okay, now from here you have to select the cartoon and then drag it and place it in this object. Now here you can see the cartoon object is there. Now from here, if you want to increase or reduce the scale, okay, you can do that also. See, double hit on this cartoon, select that cartoon from the list. Here you can see the scale is given. So whatever size you are giving in width, automatically height you will get same size of this height also. Suppose I am giving 200, enter, same, see the height also it is given. Suppose if you don't want to, if you want to change one by one, so here you can see the option is given, hit on that. Now as per your requirement, suppose width I want 300 and height also, suppose height I want 300 and width I have given 200 like this. Okay, you can change it as per your requirement. Now see, from here the image which we have applied here, you can see it is visible. Okay, in 3D object. Same way here I am drawing one more object. You can see suppose I want to draw one sphere, suppose. Okay, hit on that sphere and draw this sphere. Suppose here in this sphere I want to add any object. So same way in visualize tab, material browser, first of all you have to do here in this global, you have to right click, duplicate and give. Suppose I want to place the Jerry photo, Tom and Jerry cartoon photo, so just give the name, double hit on that. In image, hit on and just take that image from your file. See, here you will get this type of file, then close it. Now select this Jerry cartoon and place it. See, it will look like this. You can rotate it and see. Okay, so whatever image you want to apply in this 3D object, in this way you can apply it. So now I hope that all of you understood this, how to apply images in 3D object. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.